Hi, today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your POCO X6 Pro, and not only one way how you can do it, but 3 ways. So let's start. First option how you can do it is by pressing 2 buttons on your phone, volume down and power button together by holding them. And you will feel the sound, you will feel the vibration, you will hear the sound, and in the right corner of your screen you will see the screenshot. Also, the second option is to use your 3 fingers, and we're going from up to down like this. And again, sound, vibration, and the small screen in the right corner. And the third option, you need to open the notification panel by scrolling down in the right corner like this, and we need to press the icon with scissors. And here you can see that we already took the third screenshot, but you may have a question where you can find the screenshots. We need to go to the gallery, and this one, the icon with the photo, we opening it, waiting a little bit. Okay, so here we even have an album, screenshots and screen records. So here we can see all of our screenshots that we took. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.